5 years after announcing its massive and mysterious super game project, Sega has canceled whatever that was going to be. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. The parent company Sega Sammy announced bluntly that it decided to cancel Super Game after it reviewed the company's strategy on free-to-play games as a service. Sega says that some free-to-play game development personnel have already been transferred to other full game development teams that are focused on mainstay IPs. In other words, Sega's backing down from its Super Game plans to stick with its tried game franchises. That includes in development games like the new Jet Set Radio, Crazy Taxi, Golden Axe, and Streets of Rage games announced in 2023 at the Games Awards. In an earnings release, Sega also reaffirmed that it's working on a new virtual fighter game and the follow-up to Alien Isolation. Sega announced its Super Game initiative in 2021. At the time, Sega offered little detail on the project, saying that it would target a global audience. The company planned to release the game during Sega's 2026 fiscal year. The Super Game was different from another game teased at the time. In 2022, Sega said its Super Game would develop new and innovative titles with a focus on online interactivity, community building, and IP utilization. Big-budget reboots of its Crazy Taxi and Jet Set Radio franchises were also part of that initiative, but they'll eventually see the light of day. Sega's cancellation of this Super Game project might be because of major publishers investing in and ultimately backing away. Over the past decade, numerous developers and publishers have chased the success of games like Fortnite, Destiny 2, Call of Duty, and Grand Theft Auto Online, only to find themselves fighting for scraps as new titles struggle to release. But fortunately for Sega, the company's many proven properties to fall back on. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.